Mike Peden here with Rachel Banham, the player of the game tonight by KSTC 45. But in your case, Lakeville North, they really had a lot of players of the game. They got here with depth and undefeated.
Yeah, it was great. We have so many people here that can come out and play off the bench, and it was great. Everyone came to play, and everyone played their roles.
Last year, you were preseason favorite, fell a little bit short. This year, a much different story. Big changes between last year and this season?
Yeah, definitely. We had so much more depth this year. Oh my Lord. And
a lot more noise.
Yeah, no kidding. And everyone played to their roles, and that was the biggest difference. Everyone knew what they needed to do, and that's what made us win it this year.
What does it mean for you to join exclusive company, including St. Paul Central, who 3 years ago came here and finished 32-0 en route to their state title?
Yeah, I feel great. Like, not a lot of teams, no one can really say that, and it's great to be like next to those teams because we know how good they were and how much we wanted to be like them, so it's really exciting.
Well, talk to us a little bit about the game, because White Bear Lake made it interesting twice. They made it tight, and then they came within one possession midway through the second before Lakeville North ran away. So how did you keep your composure?
We just had to stay focused. Like, we know they're a super good team, but we know if we played hard defense that we could get them. So if we stay focused and don't let the crowd get to us, then we're fine.
And what your assistant coach is excited. But what does it mean for you and for all the coaching staff? You get state. I know you'll be coming back next year. Lakeville North may be a favorite again, but they have that state title. And what does it mean to have something that no one can dispute?
It's so exciting. Like, we've done so much stuff in the off season. We worked so hard just to say that we've won the state championship. It's great. I don't even know how to say it.
And anything you'd like to say to the seniors as they go out? I know next year you're going to lead a pretty experienced group, but you'll be one of the leaders. So what would you like to say to Cassie and Prather and Berkvam?
I'm going to miss them so much, and they're great players, and I love them. They've been my best friends for so long, and I'm going to miss them so much. And it's going to be hard without them, but we hope we can do the same, but I love them.
And how long do you sleep on this before you worry about leading the team next season?
Oh, Lord, I don't even know. It's going to be interesting. I can't wait.
Well, if you're not awake by November, then we'll send someone to wake you up.
Okay.
And so now I guess you're going to be cheering on Cassie as she goes to Wisconsin, or is this rivalry going to...
I'm still going to cheer them on. It'll be a little rivalry when they play Minnesota, but otherwise I'll for sure be cheering her on the whole time.
Until you join next year,
yeah,
Minnesota.
And then it's a little different, yeah.
Finally, anyone you want to say hi to that might be watching this or watch the game?
All my friends and my whole family who came, and I like to say thank you for coming, and yeah, love ya.
Well, congratulations, 32-0, and who knows, you might get to cap off your career back here next year, but long ways away, sleep on it, you earned it.
Thank you so much.
Rachel Banham of Lakeville North, that concludes our postseason coverage.